How you doing? You good?
Yes, sir.
You excited? First time?
I'm so excited, and it's my first time. I hope it will be safe and so funny.
It's going to be safe. It's going to be great. Thank you. Okay, so we just landed safely. How you feeling?
It was great.
Yeah, amazing, right?
Fantastic, amazing. Oh,
You're safe?
I did it.
Would you do it again?
Maybe.
Okay. At least you did it once. Thank you very much. Hope to see you soon.
Thank
Skydiving
you.
West.